Here on World Radio Gardening, you may remember me talking about this very old apricot. Well, you know the expression, there's life in the old dog yet. Well, here's a good example. And okay, it's got a lot of dead, ignore these, somebody likes these things hanging up here, I don't, but still. Anyway, cut out some of this dead. You can see there's dead branches here. They'll need pruning out, these old ones here. But other than that, there's still new growth coming from the base here. Look, nice new growth. And up here, just to show you, okay, bit of dead. There's an apricot. And if we come round the tree a little bit more, I'll show you some more. Now, there's a cluster of apricot there. There's another apricot just there. So there are apricots on this old apricot tree. I reckon it's about 40 years old. Look at that cluster there, bobbing about in the wind. So really, never give up on anything that you're growing in a garden. You can see it's had a lot of really large branches cut off it, but it's still growing strong. Apricots are still one of my favourites, and if you go back through World Radio Gardening clips, you'll find sometimes that I've talked about this apricot tree a lot. The people whose garden it is said to me once, I hope the apricot produces a lot of fruit this year because I see you've been standing talking to it. Do we talk to plants just like King Charles, or Prince Charles as he used to be when he used to talk to trees? Do you think he still talks to plants? I don't know. Perhaps you'd like to let me know. All these and more tips on whether you should talk to your plants on worldradiogardening.com. That's the website to go to for gardening. No other streamed website exists in the world. Stream gardening 24 hours a day. So come on, if you've got a problem, send it to me. I'm Ken, but send it to post@worldradiogardening.com, and we'll leave the apricot tree to produce those lovely fruits that somebody will enjoy a bit later on.